Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to One Misco. In this video I'm gonna show you a no code Android development journey, and I'm gonna talk about natively. That's a powerful development tools that help you to develop your Android and iOS applications, and it's totally no coding solutions, and you can work just 5 minutes. So let's gonna enjoy the tutorial, and if you not subscribed yet, One Misco, do a thumbs up, and let's go. So you can see here I'm right now in the buildnatively.com, and I'm gonna click on the pricing button, and you can see here we can choose a plan here, free, startup, business, and lifetime. So you can purchase any of them. As a startup, I'm gonna suggest you to buy a startup right now because you can test 3 days, and if you feel that it's okay for you, then you can go with the plan, or you can upgrade your plan anytime. So okay, let's go to my profile, and you can see that I already paid here $18 to get the premium versions of the software, and you can see here I already created 2 applications, and I'm gonna show you how to create an application. Just click on that, and you can see here wait. Alright, so I'm right now in my application dashboard, and you can see here appearance, and then it's easy to create your icon. Just create, you can type your text and color, and if you shade that you already have an icon, so just go to upload button and create your icon. 1024 into 1024 pixel resolution, and that's it. Just upload, and you can see here I already can see here preview. That's make a better preview in developments, and let's go to launch screen. I already created my launch screen. You can upload here, and you can select your styles, and we can check our preview by copy link here, or we can scan by any QR code scanner. Now I'm gonna drive you in the main features of the applications. So click on the feature, and you can see that here is deep link section available. So who those are marketer, so it's a very powerful performance for our ship to create a deep link in applications to understand, to track our referral system. Also we can do it by Firebase and native legacy web domain. So that's pretty cool. And the second option is geolocation. If we turn on that, we can track geolocation in our applications. Go to notification, we can enable our push notification using One Signal app, and contact in-app purchase. We also do in-app purchase system, and let's go to analytics. This is the most important part of natively. You can work with Appsflyer. You know what is Appsflyer? So I'm gonna drive you right now in Appsflyer. Okay, you can see that that's my Appsflyer profile, and who those are marketer and do applications marketing by Facebook ads, AdWords ads, or blah blah something. So that's pretty cool to get your AdSense ads report, and to get your marketing report, and to interact your users. That help you to grow your marketing strategy. It's totally the growth hack, and the final thing is AdMob. If you also think that you wanna work with AdMob, you also can do that. That's pretty cool. Now go to publish section, and just you should type here your package name and build application. So click on the APK, you will get the APK, and if you wanna publish that at Play Store, you can download that AAV files. It's totally without any hesitation. And the last add-on, if you have powerful connections with Babu, you can connect with them, and that's it. So how about the natively and Appsflyer performance. So if you like my videos, do a thumbs up, and let's see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.